Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer USDT from your Phantom wallet to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to secure your assets on a hardware wallet like the Ledger, this step-by-step tutorial is perfect for you. Let's get started. It's easier than you might think, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your funds safe. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up. You'll need the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device with some USDT in it, and your Ledger Nano X should be fully updated with the latest firmware. If you haven't already, go ahead and connect your Ledger to your computer using the USB cable and open the Ledger Live app. This is your gateway to managing your hardware wallet securely. Now, open your Phantom Wallet on your phone or computer. Once you're in, navigate to your USDT balance. Look for the Send or Transfer button. That's where the magic happens. Before you proceed, you need the receiving address from your Ledger. In Ledger Live, go to the Accounts section, select your Ethereum account, since USDT is an ERC20 token, and copy the wallet address. Pro tip: always verify the address on your Ledger device itself to avoid any phishing scams. Back in Phantom, paste that Ledger address into the To field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, and don't forget to check the network. It should be Ethereum for USDT. Review the transaction details carefully, including fees, and hit Confirm. You'll be prompted to approve it on your Phantom wallet, so go ahead and do that. Once the transaction is sent, keep an eye on it using a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. It might take a few minutes to confirm, depending on network congestion. When it's done, head back to Ledger Live and refresh your account. Your USDT should now be safely stored on your hardware wallet. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred USDT from Phantom to your Ledger Nano X. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so always verify before you send. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.